What's up mga quarantine? So today is a very special day for me because my gaming setup is here.
Ang layout sa mong case.
So guys, what ko alam ni. Shout out to Kuya Ken for helping me this build. Good. Kasi ano?
Bye.
Yeah. What's up, way? Cousin Ray Boy.
Yeah.
Magnetic no? Amazing.
Ang bangka ka ni.
This is my cousin's this. Sa'yo masulti niyo this.
Kadulaon na siya.
For yung feelings, kiduan this.
Ano siya tatangan?
Sakar, saan? Pasakar?
Para lang saya.
Okay. Lian Li. Ang board no? Damn.
Kung asa mo slot, ato ra na siya.
Ang lasan na ng mga ports. So, ano siya? Ang built-in accessories sa... Wala na siya kung ano? Kanino? Oh, wire, cables, you know.
Pero ano mo, di man siya level, right?
Si, level.
Kaya ba? Wala siya sa tunga ba?
Oo.
Yung slot.
Dili. Oh, anak.
Nga kung asa ang lock, ano open man eh.
HyperX, no? Fury.
Right?
Wala.
Asa mo siya? Asa.
Okay.
Ano yung stock ng cooler? Fan na siya. Dari mga gayang init. Sa ano tayo? Aftermarket ng cooler. Ito pa na itong gamitan. Pero pinakagamay nga part. But pinakalisod sa guon. Yung processor. Naiduha ka edge nga na buslot. More set may taon asa dapita kani naaman diri na kan siya ba. So ana siya. So mo na pagtaon. Then close. Sige sa gugulingon parang ka.
So technically guys, what ko alam aning PC. I don't have any idea how to build a PC. I'm thankful to Kuya Ken helping me out and explaining me the details. So screw sa motherboard. The screw didn't come with a Maximus, but it came with the Lian Li case. Muna siya ang radiator.
Yeah. Muna ang
Fan. Okay. Daghan ba ito?
I-inject ka rin naman sa tunga.
Hot dun eh?
Tunga lang.
20 minutes later.
Woo! So we spent the last 20 minutes doing this. And this. Our TV fans. Kapag nagtaod. But it's all worth it. So guys, we just finished putting the motherboard and the CPU cooler. So CPU cooler, this one. So now, unboxing the power supply. Silverstone power supply. So putting the power supply. So this is the back part sa Lian Li. Now for the beast. 2060. Chuyoy. Damn. We're about 60% done.
SSD.
So this is the solid state device. Everything is in place. for the cable management. And I won't take a video of it because it's too hassle and too many to take a video. So I'll see you guys when it's already done.
Meanwhile.
Now everything is done. The parts are in. It's 100% complete. Now it's time to turn it on. Now let's turn the lights off. Thanks to Kuya Ken for helping me out with this insane PC build 2020. Thank you guys for watching the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.